that, y'all. This is my little naked chicken. I already ordered up, y'all. I'm finna season it up with my little season. I got garlic powder, onion powder, mostly onion powder, and minced onions. Not onion, just dash. So I'm finna season them up real good, inside, outside. Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna stuff them with this. Might put a little of this in there. I got a little marinade, you know. And then I'm gonna put them in a little baggie and put them on the grill, y'all. Let them sit. Yeah, hold up. Check it out, y'all. I'm gonna season them real good. Like I said, ain't nothing but sugar, a little sugar, herbs. Oh yeah, I'm finna get them ready. Look at them legs. Oh yeah, check it out. I flipped them over, got all up under the wings. Now I'm finna go and get them inside. Look at them legs. Stuff them inside. Hold on. Get out. I done got them seasoned up. Get all the veggies put inside the bag, and I'm gonna throw that sucker in there and put it on the grill. Let it cook. Peace out. Ooh-wee.
Rollerblades, cock and butter. Bad like Michael, no glitter club. We gon' light them up. Yeah, slide up on that gang like a hockey puck. Then we chop them up. Hitters, they hop out with them hockey sticks like the Mighty Ducks. You know, I know. If it was you, he wouldn't ran.
That big old chicken, y'all. I'm finna take it off, y'all. It's finna bust. Yep. Oh yeah, it's going down, y'all. Taking it inside. Woohoo. Oh yeah, I just took it off the grill, everybody. Woo. Sucking like a big old bone. Let me get a knife. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what we're looking at. Ooh. Okay. Oh yeah, check out that chicken, y'all. Ooh, it is. Look at that corn, y'all. Seasoned. Oh yeah, it looks so delicious. Oh yes, man, look at that carrot up there, y'all. Look at that. It's going down, baby. I would take them off and put them on there and let them smoke some more, but they're gonna fall off the bone. Ooh, man, that chicken looks so good, delicious. The corn season. Oh yeah. Man, it's going down, baby. Look at that. Happy Memorial Day. Whoa. Man, look at that. Season. Oh, yeah. Ooh, check it out, y'all. Got that. Ooh, y'all put a little bit more season on it, y'all. Let that crisp it up on there. Yeah. Please subscribe, y'all. I ain't playing no games, y'all. Check me out, y'all. Whoop, there it is. Alright, y'all. Finna let it smoke up some stuff. Alright, y'all. Peace out. Come on back. Please subscribe. Smart, baby. Look at that, y'all. I ain't playing. You see the skin on there? Look at that corn season. Yeah, check me out, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Come on, now. I ain't playing. You thought I was going back. Yeah, I drop every minute. Look at that chicken, y'all. Yeah, you see what kind of grill it is? Electric grill, and I'm fooling on it. Hey, yeah, got it smoking though, baby. That's all it's about, that smoke. Please subscribe. Peace out.